Okay, so we've got a 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. It's the ES automatic SUV in white. It's travelled 12,000 kilometres, under factory warranty, the 10-year warranty. Got the reverse camera, windows are tinted, good set of tyres, pretty much presents like a brand new car. A little bit short on rego, but we're going to add some rego to it as well. Take a look at the interior. So we've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there, 12,400 Ks. Big colour screen, multimedia for your Apple CarPlay. It's a climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. Interior seat trim, pretty much like brand new. There's your front passenger. And your back seat there, pretty much like brand new as well. I'll just show you inside the boot. Nice big boot with a boot liner. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.